here at Lake Shelby at Gulf State Park, and we're fixing to put kayaks in. I'm joined today by Cynthia.
Hi, yay, kayaking, woohoo!
And so, yeah, we're right here, right across the street from the beach. You can see the condos in the back over here in Orange Beach. Over here, you can see Gulf Shores. So it's the state park that's in between Gulf Shores and Orange Beach. And so we're gonna go put those kayaks in now.
Lake Shelby is actually one of the closest freshwater lakes that you can find near the salt water of the Gulf of Mexico. You can swim, fish, kayak, paddleboard, or even boat. Lake Shelby is a freshwater lake. However, saltwater fish, including largemouth bass, brim, crappie, redfish, and speckled trout all live together.
But you do need a freshwater fishing license to be able to fish there.
If you come and you don't have a fishing license, no problem. Go to the Gulf State Pier, and for just $9 a day or $41 for the week, you can get your permit and then go fish.
People say that there are sometimes bass as much as 5 pounds have been caught in the lake. You can even find blue crab in the lake.
Lake Shelby is a great place if you love camping, but not camping. They have cabins that you can rent that are modern and up to date, and they have a beautiful view of the lake. Plus, you're still close enough that you can go and enjoy the beach. What you'll find when you rent a cabin is that they offer you bicycles for free. That way it lets you roam the trails that are all connected. You can do a campfire at night right out behind your cabin. You can roast some marshmallows and some wieners. You can even sing some campfire songs. There's 3 pavilions too that you can just go sit and relax and enjoy the sound of the water lapping against the posts. Shelby Lake, Middle Lake, and Little Lake are surrounded by 28 plus miles of paved trail system, all within the Gulf State Park.
There's a rental office that has kayaks, canoes, paddleboards for you to rent to spend time on the water. There's a kayak launch on Lake Shelby on the south end to help you get in and out of the water easily.
When you combine Lake Shelby with Little Lake and Middle Lake, you get almost 900 acres of water. If you're a dog enthusiast and you bring your dog with you everywhere you go, or you live in a small place and you want your dog to get out and have some fun to run, you can bring it to the new dog park located on the south side of Lake Shelby.
The new dog park has a separate area for small dogs and large dogs. It's a waterfront area, so you can enjoy the view of the lake while your dog plays.
But do you know the lake is shared with alligators and snapping turtles and snakes?
So if you have a small dog, don't let him play in the water unless you keep a close eye on him. Then it's fine. They have a water fountain for your dog, and you can even refill your water bottle while you're there too.
There's even fans to keep you cool while your dog is out there running around and playing in the water.
Hey, there's a new modern playground with 3 areas for different age groups. That's a lot of fun. Brand new, improved parking area right here. This is all on the south side of the lake, nearest the beach.
The lake is surrounded by plenty of picnic tables and pavilions available for rent.
Hey, last but not least, there's also swimming available right here at the park. It's in a roped off area, so it's safe.
Thanks for joining us. We'll see you in our next video.